If the iPhone 13 outer screen is damaged, replacing the outer glass can keep the original OLED inner screen and save costs. However, you need to have good manual skills. If it fails, the entire screen has to be replaced. This video will tell you how to replace the iPhone 13 outer screen. Please check carefully. First, remove all screws and metal shields. Remove the screen. Then protect your Face ID and camera. Take off sensing flex cable. Be careful not to break the cable. Put OCA adhesive on the screen to protect it. The screen is firmly attached to the separation pad. Start separating the OLED along the bottom layer of the glass with cutting wire. Remove OCA adhesive with electric glue removing tool. Clear away residue OCA adhesive with N-hexane. Through our observation, we found that the touch panel of iPhone 13 is under the polarizer, which is beneficial to screen refurbishment, as the touch panel is less likely to get damaged during operation. Put the glass with OCA in position. Laminating and debubbling by machine. Next, we install the sensing flex cable. iPhone 13 is much easier to replace the outer screen than iPhone 12. This means less risk. Now clean the inside of the iPhone. Install the screen. Install the tail screw. Power on, test, touch is no problem, Face ID can also be used. Thanks for watching the video. Follow our channel, we will push professional mobile phone repair videos for you.